Hi, hello, Danny here. I'm gonna bring you a quick update today. Give me a second, I'll just share my screen. Okay, talking about the chart quickly. So we have seen Bitcoin in a downtrend still. Yeah, so we have seen some kind of a double bottom here potentially with a target of maybe 48K or something. So this is potentially, but we have to look at the dollar index and stock market. Also, there are taxes in the US early March. So early March, I don't know if I would be very bullish. However, it looked a little bit like a V-shaped double bottom. So we have to monitor where this goes. In general, just look at the stock market and dollar index and macro. Yeah. So obviously you have heard about the Ukraine crisis and invasion of Russia. So there's a lot of implications on how the US will react on that, what the dollar will do, what Russia is trying to achieve with the US US hegemony. So we will see also what happens with China. So a lot of stuff going on. So just keep that in mind. Looking from a TA perspective, we are still in a downtrend. So where we made lower highs. We have one higher low here. So perhaps there's some consolidation going on now, but we have to see. Some news related. US crackdown further on lending, the SEC fined 100 million for BlockFi, which is maybe just the start of further crackdown on more provider. This is nothing new. So we have spoken about this previously. Also, stablecoin regulations should come pretty soon. So just right now, I think Russia is on their top priority list. So let's see how this continues. But also some, of course, related not so bullish news on cryptocurrency as potential tool for billionaires to avoid sanctions. Also, you can avoid a SWIFT system and other traditional money transfers with cryptocurrency. So obviously, that was the purpose also by inventing it, to have some kind of freedom of transactions. But it also the implications are also like potential negative. Then some bullish news. We have seen Thailand Stock Exchange plans to launch a digital asset exchange, so similar to what Singapore did with DBS, I think. So let's see for who that is, likely for institutions and banks primarily. And then also we have to see, where overall regulations on the crypto market go. If more countries start regulating or banning it, regulating it means it will potentially more move into institutional adoption. So institutions will only be able to trade, not necessarily retail. That might be one way to go, or much stricter regulations in general, because ultimately have to see it how useful it will be. More bullish news. Also, some Korean bank launched its an investment fund in crypto, but those are ETFs. So for me, it's not necessarily too bullish anyway. Interesting is NFT adoption is continuing despite any conflicts, despite any regulations. There has been some vending machine which will give you essentially a QR code in the States, which you have where you can buy an NFT in a vending machine essentially. So pretty funny, but yeah. And Rakuten, that marketplace, launched also NFT Marketplace for selling and buying NFTs. So something similar to what eBay did or is doing, or OpenSea, basically implemented into traditional marketplaces. So pretty interesting to see that. Yeah, but of course, you have to see where overall the global economy is going before you invest your money. Of course, just invest what you are willing to lose, right? So that's it. Okay. Thank you. Bye-bye.